Welcome. If you want to get Google Earth on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to get this application on the second smartphone with the Play Store. So I did it on my Huawei P30 Pro, and right now we have to move for the Play Store for the phone clone application that we are going to use to transfer this app. So let's open it on both devices. And on the Huawei smartphones you will get this application as default, but if you are sending data from the Samsung or Xiaomi, you have to install this app from the Play Store. So let's click, this is the old phone here and the new phone on our P40 Lite 5G. Select the old phone type. Right now just connect by scanning the QR code, but also you can connect with this key that you have to input manually on this smartphone. Right now unselect other things, scroll down, click on the apps and the data, and now just find Google Earth. Here it is, so select, click OK, tap transfer, input your log method. Okay, and right now we can try to open this application on our P40 Lite 5G. So right now we can enter here. Okay, there's some kind of debug, but let's maybe check this one. Okay, I don't know what is going on here actually, but I never used this app, but I thought that when we can put here this little guy. Okay, the location, we have to tab and it will be highlighted on the blue, but it's not. We can zoom in and just check what is here, but never mind. As you can see, this application is working, and that's how you can transfer Google Earth to your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.